2022 August, September. Who had or who has that public confidence? The voters in Meru unanimously accepted the manifesto of the border borders. The marshals was part of the manifesto that was sold to the voters in Meru. They elected the governor based on that manifesto. They did not elect the others who never talked about the border marshals. Her mandate is derived from that manifesto. And that is why her manifesto, as an independent candidate alone, she was elected. Where all the voters who elected the honorable members of wards voted for her. Now, the introduction is people of Meru made a mistake. And that is the mistake that is being corrected today. That is my honorable mover wrote that question. How do you deal with the manifesto that you want if you impeach her? Which manifesto? What referendum is that manifesto of whoever wants to come in? Will it have legitimacy? It will not. The question about the deputy governor being excluded from meetings, being assigned a new office that does not meet the stature and other issues. Show me the job description of the deputy governor by statute. It's not there. He will or she will be assigned duties by the government. The framers of the Constitution were very clear not to create two centers of power, so that it is the governor, it is the president who assigns their principal duties. The deputy governor is craving for duties. When you meet as the caucus for MCAs, the whole nation, make the law to provide substantive duties provided by. No executive order has been presented before this to show these tasks were assigned to the deputy governor. And now this executive order is being disobeyed. Assignment of duties is discretion. Assignment of duties that are not provided for in the job description rests with the governor. But an appetite to be the governor is the reason we are here. Mr. Speaker, sir, issues about resignation letters were raised, and fake letters. I've run away from that and said it is premature because we have the National Police, we have the EACC doing their job. The question about a speech in the presence of the president and 10 people with matumbo kubwa was raised. The president never raised that issue. And the context of that matter was that the governor was showing an analogy that the head of state came from nowhere to be the head of state. The dynasties were ganged up against His Excellency the head of state, but he became the head of state. The governor is saying, I was also not in any political formation party, I was independent. Me and you, Mr. President, we share the same history. I know it hurts. Those who are the heavy machines, those who are the serious political parties, who expected to be governors, who expected to get that seat, will have to take that statement with serious thoughts. And that's the reason